Weddings are terrible.
Weddings are terrible because in many countries around the world,
They are a headache.
Just to get married, you have to pay a lot of money, sign a lot of papers, and in some cases, change your religion.
but it shouldn't be this hard. So we decided to get
Fake married.
in the country of the Seychelles just to show you how easy it is.
Because this paradise has some of the easiest marriage laws in the world. You get a passport, a birth certificate, wait a couple of days, and you're...
Husband and wife.
This is how easy it is to get married in the place with beautiful sun, sand, and water. It's like a wedding combined with a honeymoon.
Without having to change religion.
Or drown in financial trouble.
Because it shouldn't be that hard to say,
I do.
That's a minute.
See you tomorrow.
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life and I think it can change yours.